This is an AutoTest product video for the brake fluid tester. This user-friendly tester helps to prevent vapour lock and corrosion of engine parts. It's not age and mileage that determines brake fluid change intervals, it's moisture absorption. Brake fluid gradually absorbs moisture from the air. Absorbed moisture reduces the boiling point of the brake fluid. Connect to your car's battery for power. On this vehicle, the master cylinder is difficult to access, so we'll take a sample of the fluid using a pipette dropper and the sample pot provided. Approximately 24 mils is required. Remove the cover from the test wand, sit the test wand in the sample. Hold down the button continually and wait for the progression bar to move completely to the right. This takes approximately 20 seconds. Sample of fluid is heated up to the boiling point. This display will show the boiling point and the .3 to 5 minimum temperature. Refer to the car's user manual to determine what fluid is required. Change the fluid if it doesn't meet the minimum temperature requirements. Pour back the brake fluid from the test and replace the cap. If accessible, the brake fluid tester can be inserted straight into the master cylinder reservoir. Conduct the test as before by holding down the button until the results are displayed. Disconnecting the battery then resets the meter for use.